How to use AI the smart way. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, in school, at work, on our phones. But here's the truth most people miss. Using AI a lot does not mean using AI well. AI is not here to replace your brain. It's here to extend it. If you use AI the wrong way, it makes you lazy. If you use it the right way, it makes you faster, sharper, and more effective. Part 1. Understand what AI really is. AI does not think. It does not understand the world like humans do. It predicts answers based on patterns from data. That means two important things. AI can be very helpful, and AI can be very wrong, sometimes at the same time. So the first step to using AI well is not over-trusting it. Think of AI as a smart assistant, not a teacher, not a boss, and not a decision maker. Part 2. Ask better questions. The quality of your results depends on the quality of your questions. Bad prompt. Explain AI. Good prompt. Explain AI in simple terms for a beginner using real-life examples. The clearer you are, the better the answer becomes. Always try to include your goal, your level, the format you want. For example, I am a beginner. Explain this step by step in simple language with examples. This alone can improve AI results dramatically. Part 3. Give context. AI performs best when it understands the situation. Instead of asking, "Is this a good idea?" ask, "I am working on a school project with limited time. Is this a good idea? And what are the risks?" Context turns generic answers into useful ones. Professional users don't just ask questions, they brief the AI. Part 4. Don't copy, think. One of the biggest mistakes people make is copying AI output without thinking. AI can sound confident even when it is wrong. Smart users read the answer, question it, improve it. AI should help you think better, not think less. If the answer matters, verify it, especially for money, health, or legal topics. Part 5. Best real uses of AI. AI is best used for learning faster, brainstorming ideas, simplifying complex topics, practicing skills, improving writing or structure. AI is not good at making final decisions for you, replacing experience, understanding emotions or ethics. Use it where it's strong. Take control where it's weak. Closing. The people who succeed with AI are not the ones who use it the most. They are the ones who ask better questions, stay critical, and stay responsible. Use AI as a powerful tool, but keep your brain in charge. That's how you use AI the smart way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI education.